Mr. Brahms' famous Lullaby. Then another famous classical piece where they are close position. First, we find our middle C, which is on the left side, and right hand is right next to it, which is on D. On the second page, you require your right hand to move close to middle C where they stick together, thumb on middle C. Let's start from beginning. Start from left hand. Good birds don't fly away. So start from A. Ready, set, go. A, skip to C, 3 and 5. A, skip to C. A, C, F, go down by 1. D, D, C. Now from G, go up, B flat, G. G, go up, B flat. Right hand move to middle C. G, B, E, go down, E to F. 1 and 3 left hand. F, F. Now skip D, B, C. Skip it. 3, 5, B, C, D, C. Back to F. Skip on the space. D, B, C. Skip on the line. A, F, B. Go down by 1. Put pedal down. Right foot pedal. C. Skip slowly and any F you like. Slow version. When you play with the accompaniment, you move your hand higher. Start. Running walk, running walk, 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 running walk, walk, running walk, move. Running, running, walk, walk, together. Running, walk, 2. Running, walk, 2. Running, walk, 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 2. Running, walk, 2. Running, walk, 2. Running, walk, 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 running, running. Fast version.